Why did Facebook alter the feeds of 700,000 users as part of a secret experiment to manipulate people's emotions? Facebook altered the tone of the users' newsfeed to highlight either positive or negative posts from their friends, which was seen on their newsfeed, reports The Telegraph. They then monitored the user's response to see whether their friend's attitude had an impact on their own. The results show emotional contagion, wrote a team of Facebook scientists. So of course, if a user saw more negative terms, they were more likely to post negative items and vice versa. Facebook users reacted to the news by lambasting the move as creepy, terrifying and super disturbing, while James Grimmelman, professor of law at the University of Maryland, said the experiment violated the ethical principle of informed consent under rules governing US human subjects research. The Facebook researcher who led the study, Adam D. Kramer, was forced to apologize, but we never really learned the reason why the study was conducted, aside from some glib rhetoric about improving users' experience. So why does Facebook have teams of scientists conducting secret experiments to manipulate emotions? Well, obviously one of the primary motives is to maximize advertising revenue, but this goes even deeper. Remember, Facebook is basically a corporate tentacle of the US military-industrial complex. It's a giant open-source NSA data treasure trove. But we've seen innumerable examples over the past several years of governments being forced to shut down access to social media sites during times of intense dissent in order to curtail potential revolutions. Let's not forget that much of the Arab Spring was made possible by activists harnessing the power of Twitter and Facebook. So was this secret Facebook mass psychological experiment symbolic of the establishment's panic at the fact that we have hijacked their methods of information control and manipulation and have appropriated them for our own education and self-empowerment? Just as people across the globe have seized on social media as a tool of political change, is it outlandish to suggest that the establishment would also plan to use social media to manipulate people's behavioural responses to events during times of crisis or emergency? Numerous commentators are now predicting a fresh wave of riots, civil unrest and domestic disorder as a result of soaring food inflation, environmental catastrophes and wealth inequality, right here in the West. And governments have been busy preparing for such eventualities. Water cannons in London, mock towns to drill for riots, riot-controlled drones that deploy pepper spray rounds. So given these admitted preparations for civil unrest both in the UK and the US, was this Facebook experiment part of a plan to pacify the public in times of strife, chaos and societal breakdown? Or was it simply a cynical and creepy move to boost ad revenue? So why do you think Facebook is deliberately manipulating people's emotions? Let me know in the comments below. This is Paul Joseph Watson reporting for Infowars.com.